Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. And art and cooking is what we're doing here. Today is art, and as you can see here, I have a queen, and I'm using Jane Davenport's face stencils to kind of, I didn't get the beginning because sometimes I start playing around in there and then I should be filming this. Yeah, using some watercolor pencils, and I think I found a little pack of metallic Faber-Castell, like sort of cheaper ones. I don't know why I had them, but I did. And then you can see there I've got some distress distress watercolor pencils there. But our family during our Bible devotions have been going through the Chronicles of Narnia, and the quote that sort of stuck out to me was, "Once a queen and king of Narnia, always a queen and king of Narnia." I've got this like R and my vowel thing going on. But anyway, so she kind of reminded me of a queen of Narnia. And so anyway, she was fun to draw. So I gave her a little crown. It's an older Jane Davenport sort of stencil with a bunch of different kinds of crowns on it. So I traced that and then went ahead and colored that in with the matching gold. And now I'm just defining the outsides of those features. I had originally drawn her in sort of a blue pencil, like a non-photo blue, so that it doesn't pick up when you take the photos if you don't erase all the little bits. But so just going in and defining some of the different lines there, and giving her hair and everything, taking shape there. She's got like a fluffy hair pull up there in the back, and I like how she turned out. She was fun. I like those little stencils. It's I can draw a face, but it's nice to have, when you're sort of not feeling well or something, or just trying to quickly get some art in. It's nice to just kind of have a stencil to bounce off from, and then you don't have to use the whole stencil, right? You can just use the eyes, or you could just, who knows, the head shape, whatever. You don't have to use the whole thing. There aren't any stencil police that are gonna arrest you for not using it exactly as it is. But it's a jumping off point for your art that sometimes can sort of inspire some creativity, and then we kind of take off from there. So just giving her some color with that metallic blue pencil there. That's the one I was talking about. That's in with that package that I just picked up there. I don't know why I have that. I don't know. I must have picked it up somewhere. I don't remember. It was probably older. So then I'm just erasing as many of those pencil lines as I can. Of course, wait for your media to be dry, or you'll have a whole nother look going on. But ask me how I know. All the things I say as warnings are because I've done them myself, mostly. Not everything, but but a great deal. But anyways, yeah, check out links below. Hit all the things. I have a new Etsy. Yeah, I've mentioned this in a video or two. I don't know what's going on with Etsy, but I still have my store there, so the link's down there below. But I'm also offering a lot of digital downloads at PayHip. And you can get to my blog, and then you can click on links and things. I have a buy product section that will take you over there to a secure payment. There's my Gansai Tambi watercolors. I think that I used it for the background there, is why I'm showing that. And I like those. I like the opaqueness. It's like an opaque watercolor. It's those Japanese watercolors. Those are fun to use. Yeah, that's pretty much just several products being used here. As you can see on my desk, there's always something. I don't know. I mean, if you put it all away, you never create, right? But no, I do need to be more organized. But I do enjoy using what I have, and it all gets used, and yeah, it's a lot of fun. So I liked the teal background, popped out her white hair there, and of course her blue and gold dress, which is very royal. I added some little gemstones there for the pictures. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. I hope you come back to the next video. Hit those links, hit subscribe and like. I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.